मिताचे भेटेचो आनी मोगाचो संस्कार देवेता कडेचो आमकां दिल्लो दीस पाडला. जलगायेन आमी सोमरुमणीन वांटो घेतला आनी त्याच बरोबर हेतून आमकां आपल्या उतरा उद्देशी आमच्या मनां वाडावून ह्या संस्कारांचो बरो उपयोग करून आमकां आदार दिला. आमी सगळीं ह्या दिसांनी उबी करून एकामेकांनी रिलेजांतल्यान वाडुया. मिताचे भेटे उद्देशी आमकां बाबाड रावया आनी जेजू सारकी जावंक आमी वावरुया.
Institution of the priesthood, Jesus gives us the command to love one another, and to show this love he bent down and washed the feet of his disciples, kissed the feet, wiped them with a towel, and with this servant leadership Jesus tells us what he has done to us. Today also we celebrate the feast of the institution of the Eucharist. Eucharist is the sun of our spiritual life. Eucharist gives us the strength, the power of the heart. As we celebrate every day the Eucharist, Jesus himself comes to us deep down. He is in our hearts. As we proclaim Christ to the world, he is our King, he is our Savior, he is the way, the truth and the life. Thirdly, Jesus commands us to love one another. Let us love one another irrespective of religion, caste, creed. He loved everyone equally. This is the three messages God gives us. May God bless you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.